What's up, guys? Uh, Back for another unboxing, and this one's a little bit different. It's not something that I've ordered to have autographed or graded. It's my comic book. It's the covers for my book Hellplayer that was released under Villains Archives, which you can find at villainarchives.com. There's four covers, one with the Clan McDonald exclusive, and I'm not going to lie to you guys. I am nervous as hell. But let's get to it. Taking you guys for everything. I'm actually opening the box on camera, which is something new. I'm shaking right now. Phenomenal packaging. The company that printed these are awesome. Oh, and there went the camera. Sorry about that, folks. Gotta readjust. We're not stopping this. We're doing this live. There we go. A little off. Here we go. We got more stuff at the bottom. This would be the print. Oh, wow. This is the horror cover print. The homage to American Werewolf in Paris. That is a beautiful cover. And the print does it all the justice. Let's set those right there for right now. Where did I put my knife? Whew. I'm trying not to get overzealous, but I'm shaking so damn bad. And of course I open it upside down. And I have the Clan McDonald variant right here. And the trade. Wow. We'll go through here and get these out, and then I'll show you folks what we have. I really wish with this mask you guys could see the smile on my face. I am sitting here right now in awe about how good these look, and just to have them, like, I mean, look at that. This is the Clan McDonald exclusive. This is the trade. And yes, I did get so many of each, so that's why it's taking me a minute to separate as I go. This is the Virgin cover. A little bit stuff here. Hey, I'm really happy to be recording this, folks, but I gotta say, this is by far one of the coolest things I've ever done. To be able to see this. And their packaging was phenomenal. Like, could not have asked for a better company. Oh, we got the horror variant. That goes with the print. These are, wow. Virgins. Like, I have to be honest with you guys, it's taking everything I have in me right now not to cry on camera. And yes, I'm keeping you here while I separate. I really don't know what to say, folks. I think I'm going to end the video right here, where there will be links below for the merchandise, for the comics. And thank you. I can't wait to be seeing you guys. To hand these books out to family, to friends, and to those that purchase. Thank you. One more time. We have the trade. The Virgin. The Horror Homage. And the Clan McDonald exclusive. Um, yeah, that's about all I have right now, folks. I'm gonna end this here. I got some work ahead of me, and I need to let this sink in for a minute. Thank you. You guys have fun and be safe.